Folks, this is the King family playing the Kickin Mule with a tenor banjo lead. I went down to the Huckleberry picnic, dinner all over the ground. Skippers and the meat was 9 foot deep, and the green flies walking all around. The biscuit in the oven was a bacon, was a beefsteak frying in a pan. Pretty gal sitting in the parlor, Lord God Almighty, what a hand I stand. Oh, that mule, I tell you, Miss Liza, you keep cool. I ain't got time to kiss you now, I'm busy with this mule. Uncle had an old mule, his name was Simon Slick. But anything I ever did see was how that mule could kick. Went to feed that mule one morning, and he met me at the door with a smile. He backed 1 ear and he winked 1 eye, and he kicked me half a mile. Well, whoa, that mule, I tell you, Miss Liza, you keep cool. I ain't got time to kiss you now, I'm busy with my mule. Kicker, he's got a orange jaw. He's the very thing to have about a team or mother-in-law. This muley, I'm a kicker, he's got a orange back. He headed off a Texas railroad train and kicked it clear the track. Whoa, that mule, I tell you, well, whoa, that mule, I say. Just keep your seat, Miss Liza Jean, and hold on to that sleigh. From a goose, he pulverized a hog. He kicked up 3 dead Chinamans and swallowed him a yaller dog. Well, I won't that mule, I tell you, Miss Liza, you keep cool. I ain't got time to kiss you now, I'm busy with this mule. When I see Miss Donner the other day, she is bent all over her tub. And the more I'd asked her to marry me, well, the harder she would rub. Well, I won't that mule, I tell you, whoa, that mule, I say. Just keep your seat, Miss Liza Jean, and hold on to that sleigh. He's got about half a load. When you see a roomy mule, better give him all the road. Whoa, that mule, I tell you, Miss Liza, you keep cool. I ain't got time to kiss you now, I'm busy